chicken salad is served, and it's healthier. Reinvent your summer spread with a new take on chicken salad that'll fill you up without weighing you down. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you one of my go-to summer recipes that's easy to enjoy at the table or wherever your summer adventure awaits. Basil chicken salad. To begin, take a large bowl and combine 1 12-ounce container of Hy-Vee picked rotisserie chicken breast, 2 cups of halved seedless red grapes, 2 cups of cored and chopped Honeycrisp apples, 2/3 cup of Hy-Vee Shortcuts red onion, and 1 cup of Hy-Vee natural sliced almonds. 90% of us aren't getting enough fiber. Try sneaking in more high-fiber foods in your salads, like apples and almonds. Next, once that's mixed up, fold in 2 cups of plain Greek yogurt, 1½ cups of thinly sliced fresh basil, 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped dill, 2 tablespoons of Hy-Vee honey, and salt and black pepper to taste. After that, top with additional fresh herbs and black pepper. When ready to serve, spread on lightly salted rice cakes and enjoy. These rice cakes are made from organic brown rice, which make the perfect base for a healthy meal or snack. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, join our Hy-Vee Healthy You subscription for a customized plan that works with your lifestyle.